YouTube land, we're back with another video. Today we have the sr94hpc Stryker, a little compact rig by Stryker. This one's for Larry. I've been selling quite a few of these radios. Larry asked that I do a video on it. I could spend an hour on this radio and still not get into everything that it does. I mean, it's full band, you know, it's full featured, comes as a 10-meter rig. Through the menus, when you convert it, you can either have CB or not, or, you know, the HF frequencies 12 through 10, or you can have a straight VFO mode, which is what it's in now, which is 12 through 10 straight through. It's a great little radio. It is menu driven. You're gonna have to read the manual on it. Like I say, I just don't have time to go through all the stuff. We're just going to touch base on a few things. Menus meaning like volume, VOL, you see it right there. So you push this, you control your volume. MOD stands for mode. It's AM or FM. So you flip that, now you're in FM mode or AM mode. RFG means RF gain, so you can push that to gauge your RF gain. Then you can gauge the function menu and you can change all this. You can do your squelch, volume. It's just a great relay. It shows your volts right there. 14.0 volts is what we got it on right now. Yeah, like I say, hello, check. Yeah, let's listen through the Galaxy radio. It's got 2 power levels. Right now we're on the 10-watt setting. That's a 10-watt carrier. That's the way it comes from the factory, 10 watts or 4 watts. I set this radio, they've all been coming to me a little hot, or according to my meter, they're a little hot, so I adjust it straight for dead up on 10. I wouldn't recommend having one turned up past 10 watts carrier because there's not a lot of heat sink surface area here, and the radio will get warm on you. It is a dual final MOSFET radio, and it has no problem producing 100% modulation at a 10 watt carrier, which will be 40 watts PEP. It actually is a little hotter than that. So like I say, there is what we're looking at, 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. We're doing about 40 watts PEP at 100% modulation. So if you want to hear it, let me turn the volume up on this.
Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Audio check. Now we're going to squirrel back because it's not
a noise canceling microphone. So we're going to squirrel back. You're going to squirrel back on that a little bit. Normally I have a noise canceling mic on here. Now I'm going to start making some adapters for these radios, but you can go on eBay. The radio's wired the same as a Yaesu, so if you look for a Yaesu adapter for like an FT900 to adapt you to from the Cat 5 to a 4-pin Cobra, you can run any kind of noise canceling mic you want. I would recommend probably an SR198 or an Static 636. Either one, and it'll do you a good job. So anyway, it was just a short little video here, just kind of go over this thing real quick, kind of show this thing. Guys, I can't keep these things in stock. I'm selling them this quicker than I can get them. They're compact. The guys in the, if you're an off-roader, Jeep guy, 4-wheel drive guy, want something to put in the wife's car that won't get in the way. My wife has seen this. She even gave me the thumbs up, you know. So it's a good radio, got good power. With a 10-watt carrier, I mean, it would match up good with like a 4-pill box. You could put a high drive 4-pill box to, you know, make that with it, and have you a decent little mobile setup that wouldn't take up a lot of room in your mobile. So even at the 4-watt setting, you wouldn't have to change much. You could put it on 4 watts and put you a good 2-pill behind it. So like I say, it's a neat little radio, and like I say, I can't hardly keep them. We will do a video later on going into the inside of the radio and checking it out, but for right now, that's all we've got time to do. I've got to get this. I'm really cramped for time right now. I've got, you know, a whole lot of stuff going on. Got a lot of guys, several radios, several amplifier builds going on. You guys stay tuned. Most of you know, have been patient waiting on your stuff. So anyway, we just want to kind of show this radio a little bit. I know several others. There's other guys out there that have done videos on them that have went way more in depth, and you know, it's worth the check out. You know, if you're interested in this thing, you know, my number will be down there in the deal. You hit me up or hit me up on Facebook, whatever. You can order one, and we'll be glad to get it out to you. So anyway, y'all have a good one. Be safe, be careful, be kind. This concludes the test of the little Stryker radio, and I appreciate y'all watching. Talk to you later.